here. It does a lot better than down.
Oh
down
yeah.
Oh man, it's a big difference. My arm don't get as tired trying to push it down though.
Denny's had one of the motor strips to his Stealth. Give it a try today. I had an extra one in the garage. We're getting ready to go in the cave. Looks good too. Low tide in about 2 hours. We just saw the Fast Man. The Fast Man's east of us about a mile. That's John Beaver's truck. He's somewhere out here. You can see the rocks over there. That's a guy with a fishing pole. Looks like a little depression right there. Stand by. Nice day. They're talking snow flurries tomorrow. I stopped at the 7-Eleven, buy a lotto ticket, and the girl said they got snow flurries for tomorrow. God. So far, no taquitos, no targets. I'm headed to the cave. Cave is that way. There's a nice little drop off right here that I showed you when we first got here. We'll run along slow looking through here. See, there's a sandbar. Drives right up, drops right off in this little slough right here. Stand by. There's Batboy. But his White's V3, VF3 or V something. He's want to make the homemade scoop out of the PVC. He's got a new model one now. Maybe we'll get a chance to see it in a few minutes. He's one of my knife gig buddies. Comes by the knife gig. I sure up a couple knives for him. He's a long way from home. He lives over there near Pungo, by the knife gig itself. Stand by. A nice low sound here, mixed up kind of low sound. Well, I got one scoop off it. Sounds really good now. Yellow flying around. I don't see a damn thing flying around in there. Maybe something small fell through. God, I hate that. Stand by, let's drop it right there and take a spin over it again. Oh, it's right there. Sounds good too, whatever it is. Let's see if we can retrieve it again. Come on out of there, baby. You're just laying on top of the sand. But it's little, it keeps falling through like a 22. That says we got it again. God. I just don't see anything in there. It looks too exciting to me. I don't see nothing in there. That sounds good. But it's right there. That's knock your eardrums off right there. It must be little, that's what they're doing, falling through. Guess we got it again. Let's take a close, slow Look. Oh, I see it. You little piece of junk, you. You see it right there? That's why it looked like a rock. I didn't see it. Oops. Little piece of aluminum. Okay, that mystery's solved for today. There's the main guru, that yellow suit right there. That's a dry suit. He's going down there by the cave. He just got here. A lot of looters out here today. A lot of looters. I like it. A nice deep one here. There's the cave right there. See the cave? At the cave. Well, I have it. Let's see. Piece of aluminum, yay! Ripper. That's that new scoop.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm just checking around these rocks right here. I usually do good around these rocks, but I ain't found anything today.
Looks like you need to bring yourself a big old bar to...
2 pieces of aluminum is all I found.
Found a lot of bottle caps.
Sounds like something right there, though. Let me see that scoop. That's that big model now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Flagpole holder. You've seen it before, but this is a bigger scoop. PVC. That's pretty nice. Yeah.
I wore a little of the paint off.
I see you have. How your new coil doing?
I think it does better than the other one did.
Yeah? I got one just like it. So I got a nice sound here. I'm on the other side of the cave now. Nice target. Nice sounding target anyway. Not very deep. I don't see a damn thing. Oh, I get another little hint of it in the hole. Now it don't sound very good. Oh, it's a coin, huh? I don't know if this has anything to do with it or not. It's some kind of hook and hacky thing. It's a nickel. Appears to be a weedy. Stand by. All right, Taquito. Loud, Taquito. I see no Taquitos, no tickets, no nothing. Well, it says it's right there, big as life. Unless that's another target. Well, it's little and it falls through because I still don't see a damn thing. There ain't nothing. Yep, right there. My curiosity has got me now. See if I can pick it up in a big wad of sand. Nope, not that time. Alright, we might have it. We'll run up here in the sand and dump that. Just to see what it is. Says we got it. I don't know. That's just that right there. Oh. Try that little piece. No, not that little piece. I think I see it. See it right there? A little strumpet. Another piece of aluminum. God, I'm the king of aluminum today. Nice low sound. More aluminum, more aluminum. How you making out? How you doing?
A couple pennies and some junk. How about you?
I got one wheat penny and some aluminum.
Yeah.
You go in your rocks at all?
I went over to the first part of the rocks.
I think that's where I'm headed.
Bunch of iron. I'm going to head back that way. I just want to come all the way this way. And...
I see Bobby digging a lot of stuff out there, but I don't know what he's digging.
Oh, I didn't even see him.
He's out there.
That's the fellow that was out here.
That's Bobby, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll get a report maybe from him later. I'm headed over that way. Another killer sound. Ah, pull tab top. More aluminum. The king. Another nice pull tab. You boys hungry today? Yeah, no lunch. Well, we're back over in the rocks now. First loud target. Wonderful. That's what I was looking for. I see it though, right there. You see it? Coin. See it right there? 10 meager cent. A clad Rosie. A spoon. You see it amongst all them rocks? Oh, it's the end of a spoon, I should say. I don't know what this is, but I got that rock off of it. I got that rock off of it. I got that rock off of it, and it sounds really good. There's a lot of big rocks around it. Oh, wonderful. Beer can. Or a piece of a beer can. Nice piece of glass, though. Second best sound of the day would be junk. Damn, it don't sound good. I dug 2 nickels here.
There'll be a gold ring here someday. Over here before. Horseshoe diamond right there.
Well, this is a ring for the pull tab ring.
Old kind of pull tab.
Yeah. That might be sound like another target in the same hole.
I got the old Franken's floor up for sale.
Still in there, whatever it is.
I put on Craigslist. Your old machine, Franken's floor. Yeah, I got that up for sale, and I got my Dual Pro. Whites, PI. Give me another Xterra.
Oh, it's a old Zippo.
Oh, cool. Is it marked?
No house on it, just the frame. I mean, just the inside part.
Huh. Yeah, I got one yesterday without the lid, but it's got Navy ship on it.
Got another killer sound right here. I mean, a knockout, nice low sound. Still in there too. You didn't get it on the first scoopo. What's that, a second scoopo? Sounds like we got it this time. There's no big fancy gold ring jumping around in there. I don't see anything jumping around in there. Stand by. Right by my feet, whatever it is. Probably some little bullet or something fell through. No, okay, I see it now. Little brass fishing thing hooked on this piece of wire. Along with a scoop.
Oh, I love it.
That's my old crevice.
That's a good scoop.
You put a stainless handle in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had to cut it off because where I had the bolts No, where the well was.
Oh yeah.
It got weak and broke in half. A little bit short when I get up to my neck.
Yeah, it is.
But I make.
I can tell you one thing as I get ready to wash my stuff off, get ready for the roundup. The temperature's dropped at least 15 degrees, maybe 20. It's chilly. I'm not kidding you. It's dropped in somewhere in the 40s right now. I was underdressed at the end, as was Denny. Okay, I'll get back to you in a few seconds. Stand by for the roundup. Some gray matter, flock of pennies, some glass, quarter, 2 dimes, wheat penny. I don't know what kind of penny that is. 2 nickels. A bullet. The coolest is a Zippo. She's in rough shape. I found better Zippos. Okay, I don't know about tomorrow. You know, the weather's sounds very iffy for tomorrow. But we'll see how that goes. Stand by. Good luck to everybody.